If you've ever finished editing in CapCut and wondered how to get that video onto YouTube, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video from CapCut to YouTube step by step, from exporting the finished file to publishing it on your channel. This is super useful whether you're posting shorts, tutorials, vlogs, or any other kind of content. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to export your video from CapCut. Once your edit is complete, look for the export button in the top right corner of CapCut and click it. Before exporting, make sure your settings are correct so your YouTube upload looks clean and professional. Set the resolution to at least 1080p for good quality. Choose MP4 as the format, and then select a destination folder on your computer so you can easily find the file later. If you're uploading a vertical video for YouTube Shorts, you still want to keep the export high quality so it looks sharp on mobile devices. After double checking everything, export the video and wait for CapCut to finish rendering the final file. Once your video has finished exporting, the next step is to upload it to YouTube using your desktop browser. Open the YouTube website and sign in to the Google account connected to your channel. After you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click the create icon, which looks like a camera with a plus sign. From the menu that appears, select upload video. This will take you to the YouTube upload page where you can start adding your CapCut file. Now you have two ways to add the video. You can either drag and drop the exported CapCut file directly into the upload window, or click select files and browse your computer until you find the saved MP4. If you know exactly where you exported it, dragging and dropping is usually the fastest option. As soon as YouTube detects the file, the upload will begin automatically. While the video is uploading, YouTube will ask you to fill in the details for your video. This is where you add your title, description, and other important information. Make sure your title is clear and includes the main topic of the video so viewers know what it's about right away. In the description, you can add a short summary, links, hashtags, or any other important details that support your content. If you want to make your upload stand out more, this is also the perfect time to upload a custom thumbnail. A strong thumbnail can improve clicks and help your video perform better. After that, keep clicking next to move through the upload settings. You may see options related to audience selection, video elements, and checks. Just follow the prompts and continue until you reach the final publishing screen. Take a moment to review everything carefully before you post. Make sure the title is correct, the thumbnail looks good, and the description is written the way you want it. Finally, choose your visibility setting. You can publish the video publicly, schedule it for later, or save it as unlisted or private depending on your needs. Once you've picked the right option, click publish, and that's it. Your video has now been uploaded from CapCut to YouTube successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.